It's Mark, the Notary Ninja. Let me show you how to list your remote online or RON services on Fiverr. And what I would do is you would go to Fiverr, and I'm going to actually drop a link in the description. So if you go to Fiverr with this link, I think they'll give you $100 for joining as a seller. So I'll drop that link. Go check them out. And this is full disclosure. So with Fiverr, you can you just simply go to Fiverr, become a seller, and then obviously just put in all your contact info, and then you're going to create a gig. And that gig would be, it tells it right here, create a gig, deliver the work, get paid. So that gig for you would be remote online notary. Other services or other skills, if you've got them, I list my legal document preparation on Fiverr as well. And so I hit Fiverr account, and you can see I've got people. I ghosted this guy. I didn't even answer his email, but he wanted Ron, and I just didn't feel like doing it. But so full disclosure, hey, can you help me with the notarized document? So full disclosure with Fiverr is that you can make about with notary, if you're just doing Ron, you can do about $100 a week with Fiverr. You build out a gig. Personally, like you can see, I don't always do them just because I don't feel like doing them. But I also list as a gig the legal document prep, and so I have our business, the way we run it. We offer a service or a product, if you will, called Ladybird Deeds, and those alone, if I do 2 of them a day, which I usually do, that's a 6-figure income stream right there. I mean, it's $300 a day for 30 minutes of work. So when I do that, you can see why I may not always be so giddy about going out and doing a loan signing or even doing a Ron, because I can just do these real quick and even charge more if I'm going to do an online notarization for that or provide a witness. So sometimes I'm just not entirely motivated to go out and do that. Now, the Ladybird, we teach that in our course. So our course, Notary Prosperity Academy, of course, we teach all these different skills to become a notary entrepreneur rather than just an online notary or a loan signing agent. We teach you how to just to pull 6 figures the easy way. But Fiverr is one of those things that I do. It is one of the ways that I list some of our services. And like I said, if you're just doing Ron, it's probably good for $100 a week or more. The way it works, they actually have a tier system. So the goal would be to get to becoming what's called a level 2 seller by doing things that I'm not doing, like responding to your messages. And maybe I should set up my auto reply. Maybe that'll help me to have a better response rate. But again, for me, it's a completely added on hustle, but it may be that extra for you. It may be that extra $100 makes a big difference, and it may escalate further than that for you. So Fiverr is a good place to list those services, build out a gig. And like I said, if you're good at anything else too, like graphic design, or you like to write blogs, you could offer those services too, as well on Fiverr. But definitely get your remote online listed. So far, there's not a lot of notaries that are on here. So that is it. Get the link and get $100. And check out our course, Notary Prosperity Academy. That's where I just show you everything I do, really, everything Grace and I both do. So that's it for today. Hopefully you found that little tip helpful for your remote online notary business.